Hi everyone, my name is Shashank, and in this short video I will walk through how I am working with Databricks as a part of my learning journey. I am currently learning Databricks from LinkedIn Learning course. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to work with Databricks workspace, create notebook, upload data, and run some basic transformations. This is a beginner friendly demonstration, and everything I show today is based on hands-on practice. Okay, so first of all, what is Databricks? Databricks is a unified data analytics platform. It combines data engineering, data science, machine learning, and analytics into one environment. It runs on top of Apache Spark, which is an open source code, and it is ideal for processing big data. The Databricks has an architecture of lake house. Basically, it brings all the data warehouses and data lakes together. In companies, for various software, we have data located at different locations. We have silos of data, not only for software but for other purposes also. So this Databricks removes that issue and combines all the data whichever is required for the business together, and then do the analytics. So lot of companies use it for ETL pipelines, real-time streaming, business intelligence dashboard, model training, production ML. Lot of things are being done, and you can see lot of big companies like OpenAI, Shell, Michelin, Mercedes, Block, AT&T are using this framework, and they are using it for taking database decisions, analyzing the data and taking the database decisions to optimize their operations. Okay, so it is a very useful tool, and this is useful for all the data professionals out there. So I will first do a login. So first of all, when you log in for the first time, you need to register. You can register as a free user. Most of the features will be available, but some advanced feature might not be available. So there is something called uploading the data to the uploading the data in one go, which is not available. So a lot of features are available, some features are not available. So I'm just going to log in. So I have already created a account, so I will just log in here. First of all, this is a cloud-based platform. It's so whatever you need to run, you need a internet to connect to it and upload the data, and you can use their computing system to run various queries. There is serverless SQL server running. You need to create one computing resource. I have already run that computing resource here, so that is running at the background. Okay, so now you can see the menu at the left side. There are various menus like new, workspace, recents, SQL. So SQL is embedded in this, so you can do SQL coding, and as well as you can do Python, Scala, the languages you can use it here, Spark. So it is based on Spark. Okay, first of all, basic thing, I will show you how to upload data. You can see there is a button here, upload data. So I was saying there is a there are functionality, but there is a limited functionality in terms of Unity catalog. So Unity is a new feature which has been added, where you can upload lot of data, and it can have a timestamps, like whatever changes have happened in past will have a timestamp, and that can be used to track. And if you want to go back to the previous condition, you can move back in the time, and you can locate that data. So all changes, everything is stored. Okay, here I will just browse. Let's consider some CSV file. We'll first consider CSV. You can do JSON and all, but I will take store data. Say store data, I will open. So once I open the file, so it will automatically, you can see it is starting a serverless data warehouse in compute. So it is already being started with me, so it's just reading from that, using that resource. So advanced users will have a more advanced machine to run these. So right now it's little slow because I'm running a basic computing machine, but it provides a high-end computing machine also. So here you can automatically, you can see the headers are captured because from CSV it is taking. So I can just convert to create table. At the bottom you can see that icon. So here it's getting converted to the tabular format, and table will be saved in the Databricks platform. Okay, so you can see at the left side there's a workspace, and at the workspace you can see this data is stored here, stored data. Now we will read the data from here using Python and using SQL. So first of all I will use Python. So what I need to do is new notebook. Okay, you can also create your own workspace. I am just using the default workspace as of now. So I will use notebook. New notebook. So it has IntelliSense. See, generate with AI. You can generate your own code by asking the AI. For example, if I ask, I need to load data from a table located in, where is my table located? Workspace, default, and store data. So here if I 3-click, I do, and I can copy table path. So I can paste it here and display. It's a English language I have written. It's like a chat GPT you use. So it's, and you put generate. So what it will do is it will automatically create the code in SQL. Okay, I have selected SQL now. So you can see it has created the code in SQL. Say if I want to use Python, I have used SQL here. If I go to new notebook, and there is one more tab which is created, and here I do, okay, instead of SQL I will select Python. Okay, confirm. So here if I write same thing like, okay, here I will write df equal to, basically you can use IntelliSense to generate. Here you have generate button, right? So I can put, I need Python code to read file, read table. If you are using Unity, I cannot use Unity because I don't have the basically the advanced features. So Unity will, you can load directly CSV and you can read from CSV, but in this case free feature, it converts to CSV into table. So generate. So in the Python also it will create a code in Python. So you can see here, and if I run it, so simple. You have to just put your requirement in English language. Of course you need to know the Spark, you need to learn it, and what are the libraries available there, and then you can utilize it in more efficient way. But you can always do IntelliSense to create a code. You can see it is there. Now same thing I will do in SQL. So this is SQL. If I run this, it was created before. So if I run this, it will give the same output. So you see the system is so user friendly. Like in one window only I can do Python. I can run on the same database. I can use Python to read the file. I can use the SQL to read the file. So all these things can be. And another thing is here the files are stored, like data is stored in file format, not in like how traditional database stores. So there is no B plus indexing here, B plus tree indexing. It is a different indexing like Z type indexing, and Databricks use their own indexing to locate the file, and there is a cache memory also which makes it faster. So you have a computing system where it is a main memory where it creates a cache. Okay, so this is about basics of Databricks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you are always advised to put your comments below if you have any questions. I will come with more advanced tutorials in future. This is for now. Thank you.